This is the water meter video, water meter and water pressure. This is one of the simpler one of these, the videos that I've done, and that's not necessarily a good thing. One thing we'll just get out of the way right now is this home does not have a lawn sprinkler irrigation system. This is the meter. It's in the parkway between the sidewalk and the curb out front. See the little red triangle in there? That is a flow indicator. Some people call it a cheater wheel or cheater paddle. It's very sensitive. If that's moving, then you've got a leak. Now I said it's very sensitive because this just passed the water meter test. But I also happen to know that the ice maker refrigerator ice maker water supply line actually does have a dripping leak. And this is not moving. I don't really understand why it's not moving. This is how you turn the water off to the house. I cannot find a main water shutoff valve. You're supposed to have a main water shutoff valve. In case of an emergency, you're supposed to be able to turn the water off to the house. As it is, you'd have to come out here. This valve does not belong to you. It belongs to the municipality, the city, the vendor, the contractor. But parallel is on and perpendicular is off. That's when you line up those little holes, and that's how they put the lock when you don't pay your water bill. This is the water meter, and that's how you shut off, to the best of my knowledge. And I've been around the house a couple times, you know, guys, sorting things out. To the best of my knowledge, that's how you shut the water off. To the best of my knowledge, this house does not have a main water shutoff valve. You need a key. You need a special wrench, which I did not use. You know, you need these tools in case of an emergency. You shouldn't have to do that. Moving on along. This house has, in the front yard and the backyard, it has exterior bib faucets, 2 of them, which you're supposed to have, and they're pretty much identical. Now, both of these faucets, both of them, the water supply piping is not insulated, and there's not a support. They should be reinforced with a rod or something so that they don't get stressed out like that. So neither one of them are insulated, neither one of them have a support. I'm looking for between 80 and 40, between 40 and 80 psi. Okay, I'm reading about 50 psi. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. And that's my connection that's leaking there. It's not coming from the valve. That's my connection. So we got about 50 psi, and we're gonna leave that here. Okay, for just what happened? I lost my pressure. Oh, okay, I turned it off. That's what I did. Okay. Live and learn. Live and learn. So not only do we not have a water shutoff valve, we do not have cleanouts. I have not seen main sewer cleanouts for this house. So we've got 50 psi, which is a good thing, but we do not have a main water shutoff valve. Our exterior faucets are not properly supported nor insulated. We do not have sewer cleanouts. And of course, we do not have a lawn sprinkler irrigation system.